Hello and welcome to SQL and PostgreSQL for beginners, and I will be your instructor for this course. I am an IT systems engineer with over 5 years of experience working with SQL and databases on a daily basis. Why learn SQL? SQL is one of the most in-demand tech skills, topping the list of number of programming jobs by language ahead of Java, JavaScript, and C#. And in the modern world of big data, the demand for SQL is only going to increase. And why PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is the most advanced and adaptable open-source relational database in the world. It is one of the most popular and widely used database systems as well. PostgreSQL is used by companies such as Netflix, Apple, Spotify, Fujitsu, Skype, Instagram, Cisco, and many more. We will be using PostgreSQL as our database in this course, but the SQL that you learn can be applied to any database system such as Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, and more. By the end of this course, you will know how to create a database from scratch, perform complex SQL queries using joins and subqueries. You will be able to understand complex database concepts such as database relationships. You will know how to carry out data analysis using SQL, and you will be confident putting SQL and PostgreSQL on your resume. Step-by-step PostgreSQL installation and setup videos are included in the course. There will be challenges in each section of the course to test your newfound SQL knowledge. All the SQL code that we go through in the course is available for you to download and use. Any questions you have about the course can be asked in the Q&A section, and I will answer as soon as possible. This course also has a 30-day money-back guarantee with no questions asked. So enroll today, and I'll see you in the course.